you about my favorite farm animal. There are many animals on the farm such as cows, horses, pigs, sheep, goats. But my favorite animal is a cow. I have got a cow in my house. Its name is Moo. I will tell you the reasons why I love it. Firstly, I love it because it's very lovely with black and white skin. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 big body and 1 tail. It's fat and strong. Secondly, I love to hear its sound. It says moo moo very loudly. Moo can walk and run like me. I like eating food, but Moo likes eating grass. Thirdly, Moo is very friendly. I give water and grass to it every day. Moo has a baby cow. It is called Calf. Little Calf is very cute. Finally, I love it because it can give milk. I like to drink milk every day. I love Moo very much. I hope you also love it.